So it's been a good day so far, and normally with coming up here and doing the beach bash, we'll have lineup of Amaroks. People can go off and do whatever they want. They can go fishing, surfing, the kids play in the water, and normally, like me, you'll open up the esky, probably grab out a couple of these as well. So days like today are only possible because we get to enjoy it with not only people who are our customers, but also our suppliers. So a couple of those is Nick and Lara from ARB Maroochydore. They not only help out on the day with technical advice and so on, but they also get to show off some of the accessories that they have available for cars. Then we have our guys from Your Mates, our mates from there, with not only Larry's, but their new ginger beer that they've just released, the Tilly. Good to have those guys on board and coming along doing these sorts of trips with our customers as well. It's one of those events that we enjoy so much because we give a little bit back, but the most important thing is people get to see what their car's capable of coming up the beach and just enjoying a day where I think the understanding of how easy it is what we try to make it. It's not difficult. A little bit of ice in an esky, a packed lunch, a couple of beers, put a board on, come up with the family, have a great day out. That's what it's all about. And if you bring a couple of friends, you can even have a bit more fun. So I think for us, even though this might be the esky, that's just one part of how you can travel, or there is another way. Well, this is the other way you can do it. Grab yourself an Amarok with a few extra accessories and a fridge. Don't worry about the ice. Get the fridge, pull it out of the back, and either way, you still end up exactly the same way. Because all you end up with is one of these, in one of these, and you're away. Cheers. Well, this has been a spectacular day. I think you'd have to agree. The footage has been amazing, but gives you a bit of an idea what days like today are all about. Sorry you couldn't be with us this time around, but the whole idea of doing a virtual Amarok Beach Bash is exactly that. Just to let you in on exactly what it's like up here. The fact that we aren't getting a group of cars together and doing the same thing doesn't stop you from doing it. So I really encourage you to take the time to just circle your diary, mark a point in time, a month down the track, and make sure you get up here. Take a Saturday off, take a Sunday off, take a Wednesday off like we have. Get up here, and there's only, I think, about 20 cars up here total. It's fantastic. Appreciate you coming along for the ride. Hope you've had fun like we have. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next Amarok Beach Bash. Thanks to Cricks Volkswagen, Sunshine Coast.